Welcome back. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to hide and unhide workbooks. How to hide and unhide workbooks. And to do that, you go to your View tab, click on your View tab. Under the Windows section, you'll see the Hide feature, this Hide button. When you click on it, the active workbook becomes hidden, all right? When you click on it, the active workbook becomes hidden. Then why will you want to hide a workbook? First, remember we did the arrange all. There's a lesson, our previous lesson, I illustrated this feature. And what it does is that it arranges all the active workbook on the window. How do you know how many workbooks that are actively open? You click on the switch, the drop down under the switch window option. Now I have 3 workbooks. You see, I have 3 workbooks. The active one is this one that is marked section 6. Right. Now, if I use this arrange all features, all this workbook will be arranged on my window. Right. To arrange only 2 of them, I will just hide one of the workbook so that I will just have only 2 on the window. So what the hide feature does is that it helps me to hide any of the workbook that I don't want to appear when I use the arrange all features. Right. So I have this active workbook section 6. If I click the hide button now, you see that this window will no longer be active, right? Or will no longer be the active window. Good. So you see, it's no longer there. So if you click on this switch window, you see that I have only 2 workbook, those 2 workbooks, right? So if I apply this now, I use the vertical, good. I adjust this 2, right? Adjust this 2. So I'll just make this good. If you see this on hide button, it shows that one of the workbook or more than one of the workbook are hidden. So to unhide it, I will just click on it and it will list all the hidden workbook. I have only one workbook right here. So I'll select this and click OK and it becomes the active workbook. When you apply the arrange all again, I'll use the vertical format and you see that the 3 workbooks are all arranged on the window, right? So I'll just make this, maximize this. So this is how to use the hide and unhide workbook feature in Excel. This brings us to the end of this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.